Oh!
I have a light on mine.
We can put a light on mine.
Figure screwing those?
Yeah, here we go. Want to have a look at it?
Walker thinks his are way better than anybody else's.
They are. Look at that.
What?
Yeah,
Oh, geez.
beautiful.
What about these ones?
We'll do it on this. Look.
Look at these. Those nice things.
Let me see that one. Let me see it.
Look at that. Not that ugly copper one or anything.
You can hear the high.
You can hear how out of round it is?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's out of, look at that.
Listen. Shh. Maybe if you stop talking for a second.
I don't hear a thing. Jeez.
High spots.
So these are rejected.
Yep.
These are rejects.
Yep.
Okay, we'll just stick these into a 61 Sportster then.
It'll fit into place. It'll be fine.
Yeah, so they're a nice fit here. Look how loose those are now. They're a little on the tight side, but he's going to run easy. Now you, on the other hand, you want to run the piss out of yours, but these are still a little on the tight side.
Yeah, I do run the piss out of it.
So these might stick for you.
I ride appropriately.
We'll find out how much they're going to stick, though. Now, can we mix these all up, or is it matter?
No, you can't because they're made to each one.
They're made?
They're made for each other.
They're mated for life?
Yep. For the life of the part. They'll do its part.
Just after the lifetime warranty ends, they're done good?
Yep.
Okay.
Uh-oh, come on now. Come on, meow.
See, it's so tight it won't come out. That's not a good sign. And it won't fall, they'll just fall out, they're tight.
Well, maybe the angle of you shaking that fucking rod around changes shit.
Could be. Look how smooth the finish that is in there.
So smooth. Buttery. Look at that.
Got oil on my finger, too. Where'd this one come from?
That one.
You sure?
Yes.
If I mixed it up with the other one.
I doubt it. I doubt you'd do that. You don't want me to keep on coming back here, do you?
No! There's not room for the oil in here. Doesn't want to go through the hole now.
Good. Goop it on there good.
What about bad?
Nope. Perfection only this time.
Pretty tight.
Yeah, because you got goop on there now.
You want the new part of the washer or the old part?
New.
Too late. We're going backwards.
Good.
Where's your hammer at? Too late. I already manually shoved it in my finger and forced my thumb to do it.
Oh, terrible what you get put through.
It's painful. Yeah, I won't go.
Where do these go?
I don't know. So you gotta make sure that you don't beat the bushing in here because it'll screw it up. So you gotta hold up on the shaft a little bit.
Little tap, tap, taparoo.
You wanna make sure it's going into the hole and not hitting it sideways. Because it will lock up the bushing when it is tight.
You do not want to do that.
Go on there.
And these go...
Use this one?
Yeah. These go in there. Get it.
You can bring this stuff away. Look at that. And the tool's almost worn out.
Yeah.
How many years have I been using that? All that junk over there. Look at those nasty shells.
It's so gross.
Put those back in the junk box.
Yeah.
Need that element you gave away.
Right.
Here. Right there.
Right there. Did you put it on this one?
Maybe.
Come on now. Come on, Meow.
Doesn't go on. This one's bad.
It's bad.
Did you check the shaft to see if I could thread in it?
No.
Oh, there it goes.
Oh, it doesn't go in right away. It's bad.
Well, it did come out of the junk box. So.
Yeah. Not good? What do you mean? Mm-mm.
Tight.
Yeah, it is.
Told you they felt tight.
So undo it and hone them some more.
And tighten them up, they flex the shaft. And this one loosened up so it works.
Yeah.
This one, the shaft was straightened itself out or flexed it or twisted or something, but the bushes are so tight it's not allowing it to.
Yeah. So how do we fix that then? Just hone it more?
You loosen up, yeah. There's imperfections.
Yeah.
So this one here loosened up so it's working, but if it's that close, it's really, really tight. Like I said, these were tight.
Yeah.
They're all a little tight, so they need to be stroked.
Those other ones were way tighter.
So they need about 3 more strokes in each one. Alright, so
Back to it.
have to redo everything. Too tight.
Alright, we're back again at the honing machine because it's super exciting and everybody wants to see it. We're going to see the fitment. We're going to do 3 more strokes on each. That's not good. Needs to go faster.
Have oil on that one.
Yep.
Got to slip together quicker.
Yeah.
Get that one.
There you go.
Well, you like that better?
Yeah. Works a lot better.
Doesn't drag as much.
Nope.
So when they don't want to go into fast, that's usually means they're too tight. Still not very much clearance in them, but obviously they're looser because they're going together easier.
That's what we want.
Yep, they were too tight. All right, clean again. We just did that, didn't we?
Yep.
Okay, we'll do it again.
Round 2, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see how this goes together.
You want to blind up now?
I don't think so. I hope not. Because this is time consuming.
Yeah, so.
I got shit to do.
Oh, me too. Seems like we just did this.
Yeah, right? Weird.
Same hammer and everything. I'm turning old.
Mm-hmm. You're ashy.
Withering away. See, I'm either red or I'm white.
You got the blue sweater on.
Yeah.
You're all about freedom.
Is that what that is?
Yep.
It's got oil on it now.
Sweet. Pre-lubed.
That one too.
Nice.
Is that factory torque?
Yep.
What's wrong with these?
I don't know. What's wrong with them?
I don't know, they slide real easy.
That good?
Well, the other ones stay put where you do.
Yeah.
They don't drag so much when you go like this either.
That's good. Cool.
Might be good.
All right, let's go put them on. Get this bike kicked over and out of your shop.
Ooh,
Imagine that.
threatening me like that. All right, there you go. Put it together. We're done.
All right.